Hey everyone, Ashley here, and today I'm going to show you how to create this soft pink winged look. Today I'm wearing Desio lenses in style Wild Green. I have a 10% off affiliate code, which is AshleyKayla50. We're first going to start out with some concealer and then blend that out all over the eyelid with a sponge. With a Morphe brush and the Ofra Cosmetics Life's a Draft palette, I'm using this light purple shade and then packing the shade on at an upward slope, following the angle of my lower lash line upwards like so. And then I'm following the curve of my crease starting here in the center, placing it a little bit above the crease as shown here, and then I'm swooping it down at the curve of my crease and then connecting it with that line in the outer corner, creating a V shape in the outer corner. So here I'm just packing on the color, making sure it's even. I'm applying a little bit to the lower lash line as well, just kind of sweeping it inwards, about halfway across the eyelid. Next, I'm using that same brush. I'm going to start blending out the edges, just diffusing upwards and outwards. So I'm just kind of starting on the outer corner here, and then using little windshield wiper motions and little circular motions to blend out that top edge. That's why I just kind of placed it where I wanted it, and then I'm just going to blend out from there. This part takes a little bit of patience, so I'm just kind of fast forwarding through this. Again, just using little circular and sweeping motions, and if needed, go in with a little bit more color. With the same palette and a darker shade of purple and a Morphe brush, I'm sweeping this color into the outer corner. I'm keeping it a little bit lower than the previous shade we just applied, so I can have a gradient between the two shades, sweeping it inwards and keeping it within that V shape in the outer corner, being sure to maintain that shape, using little circular motions to blend the two colors together, like so. Packing on a little bit more of the color, and then blending it as needed. You can go back in with the lighter purple as needed to blend out everything. With a flat shader brush from Morphe and the pastel palette from Natasha Denona, I'm using the shade Feather and bringing this up to the bottom of that first pink shade we applied, and then just filling in the remaining portion of the lid, and then applying this all over the inner corner as well, and then feathering out the edges. I'm sweeping it into the outer corner a little bit here, and then I'm going back in with a little bit of the darker purple to maintain that top edge, to have almost like a cut crease. I'm blending out this outer edge here by feathering it, using both sides of the brush, and then I'm adding a little bit of the shimmer color from the Life's a Draft palette to the lower portion of the lash line here, connecting the outer corner and inner corner, drawing an inner corner wing with Maven Beauty black eyeliner, and then using the Manifest eyeliner shade from the Morphe Ashley Strong eyeliner palette. I'm just mapping out my wing, and then following the upward slope of my lower lash line here. And then I'm going to fill in that shape. This brush is from the craft store, just like a regular paintbrush. I'm going with mascara and lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post. Bye!